Hello everyone, back tuning in to today's second video. I've already done the July month ahead forecast, started off bright and early with the updates today. So you can find that on the month ahead forecast updates page. We're going for essentially quite a poor July, really, with temperatures a little bit cooler than average and quite unsettled, especially in the first half as well. But you'll find out more about that on the month ahead updates page. This is weekend forecast. As always on a Saturday, we're going to have a detailed look at the weather for the coming week across the British Isles. This evening, around 5-6 o'clock, something like that, we will have CanSIP Saturday, looking at the next 6 months of weather, just for fun. So that'll be here on the homepage this evening. Before I get on with the weekend forecast, just to say about the ads that Gasweather is, there's links to articles on all the pages. You can have a browse, which is a click through the links. You'll be able to pay for the website, and thanks very much for doing that. Just say tomorrow we're going to be issuing the NAO forecast, a North Atlantic Oscillation forecast, winter of 2016-2017, so that'll be very exciting. On Monday, I'm going to start a fundraising event through Gasweathers and Just Giving for the air ambulance. There'll be much more about that on Monday. You'll be able to see how you can donate and all of that kind of thing. Primarily it'll last through the month of July. So the websites we're using for the weekend forecast are coming from the weatheroutlook.com and westcent.de. You can find a link to both those websites on the links page. And I think that's enough with all of the announcements. I better get on with the weekend forecast, starting with the radar picture. And, well, here we go. We've got a rash of showers across the country already. Lots of heavy showers across Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. They aren't yet as heavy or widespread further south, but even there things are beginning to build up. Let's just have a look and see if there's any lightning flashing away in those showers yet. No lightning indicated, but I think we could well have lightning through the course of this afternoon as these showers turn even heavier and even more widespread. So it could be big downpours around today. Here's the Arctic pressure chart today. Low pressure is in control to the north of Scotland, bringing down this showery northwesterly wind, and that wind is what's feeding in those showers. It's quite a strong wind as well, perhaps unusually so for July. So we're going to have showers through the course this afternoon. There'll be heavy showers, risk of hail and thunder in places. Southern counties getting the best of the driest weather today, but even here showers can't be ruled out. There could be hail, thunder and lightning mixed in with those downpours today. Now, not everywhere will catch those showers. Some places will get lucky and stay dry, but as we've seen on the radar picture, there's already a lot of them around, and they're only going to get more widespread through the course of this afternoon. Temperatures cooler than average as well, ranging from around 13 to 19 Celsius. I think that's about the best we're going to get today. And when those showers come along, the temperatures will drop a little bit more than that. And of course, we're going to feel even cooler in the unusually strong sort of west to northwesterly winds. Well, the showers will continue through the country this evening before they eventually die back towards coast overnight. Many places will turn dry in the second half of the night, although the far south, the south coast around southwestern England, could just bring a little bit of a trough through there, possibly producing some more general showery bursts of rain down in the far south. Temperatures tonight quite cool really for a July night, ranging from around 7 to 12 degrees, a fresh feel. Sunday could start off with a little bit of showery rain in the south. I think that will go quite quickly. And then it's a better day at Johnson. Out of the 2 days of weekend, I think Sunday will be the best. Still some showers scattered about, but they're going to be much more scattered. They will be lighter as well. And many places are going to stay dry, I think, on Sunday, with a mix of sunny spells, but also quite a lot of cloud. Temperatures on Sunday, because there's more sunshine, should edge up a little bit, so still enough to write home about, at around 15 to 21. 21 is 70 Fahrenheit. I believe there's going to be action down at Wimbledon tomorrow because of all the wet weather that they've had. They've had to put in an extra day, I think, so that could be okay. I think there'll be a fair amount of dry weather once that showery rain clears away from southern counties in the morning anyway. And then we move through into Monday and bring another weather system into the central part of the country. That could bring some very wet weather through Ireland and northern England, possibly North Wales as well during the course of Monday. On either side, it'll tend to stay mostly dry. So central southern parts of England and Wales, think it'll be dry there, albeit with a lot of cloud. Scotland will have sunshine and showers. But it's really through that central sway from Northern Ireland into Northern England, possibly North Wales and the North Midlands, where there could be persistent and heavy outbreaks of rain. Under that persistent rain, it's going to be quite a cool day, with temperatures just 15 or 16 degrees, otherwise up to around 20 or 21, nothing to write home about, but I suppose feeling okay in any sunny spells. Tuesday is possibly the best day of the week, or one of the best days, as this little ridge starts to build in across the country. So I think there still will be showers scattered about on Tuesday, but they should be lighter. Many places will stay dry with a mix of sunny spells and variable cloud. Temperatures just lifting up a bit as well, possibly up to 22 in London, 72 Fahrenheit. That ridge continues to hold into Wednesday, although low pressure is gathering. Look out to the north and the west. We'll come on to that in a moment. But for Wednesday, I think we probably get one more mostly dry day with sunny spells. Again, there will be a risk of shower. It won't be entirely dry, but I will think many places are going to stay dry on Wednesday. And temperatures up to around 22 or 23 degrees. So that's about up towards the early July average in the south. 23 is 73 Fahrenheit. However, it all starts to go downhill again on Thursday. This is a changeable summer, it seems, so any dry spells don't last all that long. The next low pressure is starting to roll back in on Thursday. So whilst many parts will probably get off to a dry start with sunny spells on Thursday morning, we'll have cloud and outbreaks of rain already across Ireland and southwest England, and that just spreads to north and east across the country through the course of the day, bringing probably quite a wet afternoon on Thursday. Could be some persistent rain in with that and heavy as well. So temperatures in the east probably getting up to around 22 degrees before that rain arrives, but as the rain sets in, it will be turning quite a bit cooler out to the west. And then low pressure is really in control of the weather as we end the week on Friday. So we're going to be looking at showers and longer spells of rain. I think we start off with Thursday's persistent rain still left in the east and the northeast. That clears away through the course, through the course of Friday morning. I mean, it's just sunshine and showers, and some of those showers will be heavy and thundery. It could be hail mixed in as well. Temperatures turning cooler again, so between around 15 and 20 degrees. As far as the weekend weather is concerned, well, for both Saturday and indeed for Sunday as well, we're going to keep low pressure well and truly in control. We've got the finals taking place at Wimbledon, also the British Grand Prix at Silverstone next weekend. I think we can expect these events to be packed by weather. Of course, at Wimbledon they've got the roof now, so it shouldn't be too bad there. But I think the British Grand Prix is likely to be impacted by rain next weekend. Temperatures look quite cool as well with those showery conditions coming through. Finally, just having a look at the charts from the weather outlook, so you see weather in your area over the coming week. Got lots of showers across the country, of course, because of today. Sunday should be a better day. There's still a few showers left, but I think Sunday is the best day of the weekend. And then as we go through into Monday, we find this spell of really quite wet weather setting in through this central sway of the country. But far south and across Scotland shouldn't be too bad. But Northern Ireland, Northern England, possibly North Wales and the North Midlands could be very wet for a time there on Monday. Tuesday, one of the best days of the week, mostly dry, few showers scattered about, but fairly dry weather on Tuesday, and indeed probable on Wednesday as well. But then Thursday, it all goes downhill again, with more cloud and rain coming back in off the Atlantic, leading to a very showery day on Friday. After a slight warming interlude around middle of the week, only going back to average, but a slight warm-up takes place around middle of the week. Temperatures start to slide again as these unsettled conditions come back in at the end of the week. So, in summary, it can be another unsettled and changeable week in this unsettled and changeable summer. We're going to start off with lots of showers and longer spells of rain for the early part of the period. Tuesday, Wednesday definitely looks the best of the week. fair amount of dry weather, temperatures getting back up to around the seasonal average, and then Thursday and beyond that into the end of the week and next weekend, it all goes downhill with temperatures cooling and showers along with spells of rain. That's weekend forecast then. Don't forget to check out the July month-end forecast if you would like to do that. This evening, we're doing CanSIP Saturday, having a look at the next 6 months just for fun with the Canadian model. And then tomorrow, all eyes on the NAO forecast winter of 2016-2017. That's all for now then, and thanks for watching.